Alright, so guess what, guys? Today, I'm going to be telling you about this problem I have right here. You guys see these little curly spots right here that overcurl? So what I'm going to be doing is telling y'all how to basically prevent these curly spots and how to get rid of them. So it's just an overcurl, which is a overcurl, where your hair is overcurling. The easiest way to prevent an overcurl is by simply, when you wash your hair, make sure you get a good brush session in afterwards, and you put your rag on so your hair actually lays down so it's not curling up. Because if you get your hair wet, your hair is naturally going to start to curl up. So once you're done, like say you take a shower, and you shower brush and you wash your hair, whatever, make sure you brush your hair really good, make sure it's laid down and everything before you put your rag on. Because you put your rag on, you haven't really brushed good, you're gonna take your rag off, you're gonna have spots like this. I don't know if you guys can see that real good, but you're gonna have those overcurls. How to fix the overcurl is, it can be difficult and it can be simple depending on how you want to do it. So personally, what I'd rather do is, I'd rather hop in the shower, wash my head, brush it, do all whatever's necessary to get it out. If you're not going to take that route, this is what I'm going to suggest that you do. At least this is what I do to help me. So I usually will dab my mirror or whatever, and I'll go to the spot and I'll start combing it. Oh wait, so I'm on side. My fault. I usually start like combing it, whatever. Combing helps to, you already know, lift the hairs up, raise your hairs up, and whatnot. That's what I like to tend to do, is comb the area real good. And as you can see, my hair is looking already straight since it's raising all my hairs up to one level. Not only that, sometimes I'll take something like this fine tooth comb, and I'll just go straight to the top of my head and just comb it against the grain so I can get all the hairs at one even level. Y'all don't gotta do it like this. This is what I'll be doing. So I just be finessing stuff to find different ways and methods to fix myself up. After I do that, then when I tend to comb it back with the grain, for me personally, it seems like it'd be working. Cause the curl spot now, that after being combed, y'all can look from this angle, it's not all poking all out like it first was when I first started the video. Then I want to keep combing it, because when I'm combing it, it's like I'm raising the hairs at the same time you're kind of pulling it. Not as good as if you was using a brush. So that's the next part. I get my brush and whatnot, and then I take it back and I get a slow stroke on it so I can really grab the hairs, stretch them, and pull them and whatnot. You know what? If I look at my waves, this side of my head, oh shit, my fault. This side is better than this side. At least that's how I think it is. Now tell me in the comments what y'all think. First, I think it's got a nice way to walk around for real. But I would just keep brushing it and whatever. You know? Another thing to avoid overcurl, I just thought about it. Don't put a whole lot of products in your head and be outside playing sports or doing shit that's gonna make you all sweaty and whatnot. Because you start doing all that, them products and stuff, when your hair gets sweaty, it's getting wet from the sweat. And then you got grease and stuff in it, curling heads and smoothie and whatnot. And then your hair's gonna start drawing up and getting all curly. You know what? I still got that curl spot. The number one method to fix this is by going in the shower. Alright. Get a thorough brush session in though. You know, just do yourself a favor. You don't gotta use a curved brush. You can use your straight brush. I got straight brushes too. But judging from the beginning of the video to now, the overcurl spot is fixed. or at least it's not all curly like how it was. Not all messed up looking. You feel me? Make sure y'all leave a thumbs up to this video. Gotta keep bending my head backwards and whatnot so I can actually see the top of my head. What y'all think? Y'all think that worked? I can still see a little damn curl right here. Something messed up. Make sure your crown's all combed out. You know, you feel me? My crown looking jacked up? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I think once you brush it, and then you comb it, brush it, comb it, and keep transitioning back and forth, it'll fix. Your spot won't be all messed up. Cause I'm looking at it and I think it's pretty good now. Whatever. That's pretty much all about over curling and stuff, how to fix it. Like I said, the best method, the best method is probably just to go in the shower and just brush your hair, get it wet, brush it down real good, and then go and rag up. Hair to be laid down. You want rag, everything's laid down. It's not all messed up and whatnot. You feel me? But it's your boy Jwavy. You know, stay tuned. Make sure in the comments y'all tell me what y'all want, cause it's hard making videos, just making them. You don't got a topic that people want to hear about. Let me know what y'all want to hear. I'll make it. All right. DM me my Instagram _j.wavy. That's it.